Alright guys, thanks for checking out Amazon Loves Me. What we're looking at right here is a night vision goggle. This is a binocular, HD screen thermal binocular night vision binoculars. And as you can see right now, they're on 60% off the regular price there. So it's $51.99 right now for a limited time, and normally they sell for $129.99. Again, this is a Type-C cable, so it's rechargeable right here. As you can see, it comes with the 64 gigabit SD card, and looks like a little camera or a little strap to hold. As you can see, it has two different modes here, an anti-shake and a sport mode. Looks like you can do a manual focus on these as well as an adjustable brightness. So again, if you're looking to get into, just observation, hunting, camping, this may be the binocular set for you. Thanks for checking out Amazon Loves Me.